Hi everyone, today we are working on the headlights. And they're going to be brighter, so on trails if it gets dark and we need to find a campsite, we'll be able to see a bit better. Today we are going to be using Raxiom 9-inch LED headlights. These are in the Vader series, and we picked them because they looked really cool. Headlights. Ta-da! We got them from Extreme Terrain. The tools you will need are a push pin removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a dry extension. We're going to start by opening the hood. Our Wrangler has a 2-liter turbo motor and does not have daytime running lights. First, we are going to have to remove the front grille. You need to remove the 6 push pins with the push pin removal tool. Let's get started. What? What do I do it? Pretty easy. And remember to put your little push pin things in a safe spot where you won't lose them. Remember to take out the whole push pin. Be very careful not to break it. They are held in by the push pins, so try not to break the push pins when you take it out. Yeah, just go slow and you won't have any problems. You will need a 10mm socket and a drive extension. You can use a socket wrench, but to make things quicker, we're gonna use an impact gun. Let's take out the 3 bolts holding in the passenger side headlight. Now take your headlights out. That was easy. I pushed this thing in and then just slided it and it popped right off. Cool. Now for the next headlight. Push it in. And slide it right out. Then take your headlight and lay it down somewhere.
Nice and safe.
And your hands may get a bit dirty. Now you can install your passenger side headlight. Remember to put it in on the side with these little things, and that will just pop right on. And then you're just gonna put your headlight on. Before we attach it in, we're gonna test it. But first, do the other headlight. This is your driver's side headlight. And once again, put it on this side. Oh, yeah, this side. When you hear a click, that means it's on.
It's okay, it's just temporary.
Now to test them.
All the way. Not auto, the one right before auto. Yeah. Oh, those are bright.
Oh wow, those are bright. You may need sunglasses. Today we are not wiring the amber turn system and the halo headlights. We're gonna wire the turn signal and the halo separately. We're replacing the factory hardware with a bolt, spring, and washer. We're gonna put the washer on the bolt and then the spring on the back side. And this is a magnet so we can stick the spring on to make it a little bit easier. Make sure you put the flat side of the bolt towards the engine. Remember to spin it the right way. here are the bolts. Make sure to spin it very... Oops.
Good, good. Next one.
Now for the next one.
That's good.
One more. Now just set it up there. Good. Now that our grills reinstalled, it's time to put in our push pins. So how you're gonna do this is you're gonna take your push pin and push this in first, and then you're gonna put this in. Just like that. Click. Click. That's 2 clicks. We have all our push pins back in. Now it's time to close the hood, clean up, and go eat lunch. First put that on,
Yep.
then put one on. You put this one on, and then you put this one on. Here's a comparison from our old halogen headlights and our new LED headlights. Here are the halogen low beams, and here are the high beams. Now here are Raxiom LED headlights, low beam and high beam. Here's a better view, low beam, high beam. They definitely look a lot brighter in person. Now we're ready to hit the trails. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Maggie, over and out.